I'm Fiona MacKay Young, and I hope you enjoy finding out what you can tell from handwriting. In this video, you'll learn how to identify impulsiveness from handwriting. What is it to be impulsive? Jumping right in without taking time to think things through, acting on instinct rather than logic. An impulse purchase is often something that attracts your attention right now, but is perhaps either not what you really want or what you can really afford. Impulsiveness shows in writing where the slant is far to the right. The farther to the right, the more impulsive the writer. And you see the arrow there shows how far right the slant is on that writing. So that's very impulsive writing. Now it's your turn. Which of the writing examples below do you think is the most impulsive? Pause the video if you want to and have a look and decide which one you think is the most impulsive writer. Here's the answer coming up. It's the bottom right. You'll see the arrow shows the angle of the slant, which is quite far right. The bottom left has a slight slant towards the right, but not much, so some slight indication to some impulsiveness, but it won't be much at all. The top right is almost vertical, up and down slant, so not impulsive. And the top left has a backhand slant, so they're holding feelings in rather than pushing them out, so not impulsive at all. Both of these ones below are far right slant. So which one do you think is more impulsive? That's it on the top left. There's the arrow showing the angle. And there's the arrow showing the angle on the bottom one. And then there's both the arrows enlarged and close together. So you can see that the red arrow belonging to the top left is actually further to the right slant than the blue arrow. So the top left is the most impulsive. The bottom right is also quite impulsive, but not as much as the top left. So that's it for impulsive. A moderate right slant is somewhat impulsive, and a far right slant is very impulsive. PracticalHandwritingAnalysis.com, right on. Hire the right person the first time. Why take the chance of hiring the wrong person when you can make sure you're hiring the right person? Look for the traits you most want in your new employee. Place a sheet of paper and a pen in front of them at the interview and ask them to write down why they want this job. Now you've got their writing. So check it out. The book comes with charts of traits for different types of work. Hire the right person the first time. Click the link in the description box for more information.